Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can implement selection sort in Go language. So in previous video, we have also learned bubble sort. In this video, we are going to learn the selection sort. So first of all, we have to understand the algorithm. So this is the programmist.com website, the famous website, which having the pictorial representation of selection sort. So we will understand the algorithm from here, then we will implement it in the Go language. So first of all, we have an array like this, and we assume that the first element of the array is the smallest one, and we compare this with each and every element, and if we found the element less than the 20, then we continue like this, and at the end we found this value 2 is the minimum value in this array. So in first iteration we found the minimum value, and then we swap this value with the first element. Like this we swap it. Now we feel that 12 is the smallest element. Again we just check each and every value in array, and we find out the element that is smallest in the remaining array after the 2. Here in second step we perform this, and we found that the 10 is the smallest element in the array. Then we swap this element with the element which we have selected. The next one is 2, so we swap here. Again we have to assume that 12 is the smallest element, and I will check the each and every array in all the remaining element that if there is any element that is smallest than 12, if found, then we swap, and if it is already on the same position in the sorted array position, though we do not make any swapping. Then again we assume that 15 is the element smallest in the array, and we check if it is already on the same position, so no swapping. So similarly we have the sorted array in this example. So that means in the first iteration we have to assume the first element is the smallest one, and we check the element that which is smallest than this, and we find out the smallest one in the first iteration. Then we assume second element is the smallest one, and we check in each and every element remaining in the array, and if we found the smallest element after 2, then we swap it. So that algorithm we are going to implement here. So we have a VS Code. So I create here package main function main. Here I create the items that would be like this. So we have an array like this. Now I print the element before sorting, and I say items. Then again I just create a selection sort function like this, and here I pass the items. Now after sorting, then I print again to check the element sorted or not. I save it. I import fmt, and I create a function selection sort. Here I pass the items of int type like this. Now here I implement the algorithm. So what I do, I start a for loop starting from 0, I less than items, I plus plus, so that would be the length of item like this. So I put one more for loop, and I say j is equal to I plus 1, j less than, we implement length of the item -1 j++ like this. And here I check if, and in the beginning I just make min as a I. So I position is the min element at the first time. So I say if the items available on min position is less than the element of j position, here, then I say min equal to j. If the element is min is less than this, if min is greater than j, that means j is a smaller one. She found the min position here. And after the for loop, what we do, I do swapping that temp equal to items dot I position, then items at I position I swap with the item at min position because we find out the minimum element, then item of min position we swap with the temp, like this. So we try to implement it. Now we try to run if there is an error or it working. So go run selection short, and spelling mistake is there of function short. So okay, file name is spelling mistake, so I just rename the file name. That should be short. Okay, so go run selection short like this. So element are in sorted order. So once again I try to change the value in the array, and I say like this. And once again, you see, but the problem is in the last element we are not reaching to the last element. So what do we do? I do this like this. Try once again, and you see the array is in sorted order. So we change the position of size of the array, and now we have the full implementation of selection sort. Once again I change some value in array. I say it is 23 and this is 212. So like this, I once again, and you see, and if I want to do in descending order, it's very simple. Just I change it to max. Here I say it is max, and here I say it is greater than, and here I say max. Once again I try to run. So undefined min, here I have to change the max. You see, we have in descending order now. So just by replacing the condition here less than greater than and putting the variable value max and min, we can reverse the selection sort in descending order also. So in this video we have learned what is the use of selection sort for sorting array, how we can perform this algorithm in Go language. So if you really learn anything from this video, so kindly do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.